Hi guys, Kyle Berkfield with MarineMax. We're here looking at our new trade, a 2005 Air 226 Team Edition Nautique. This is the yellow and white, has a tandem maximum trailer that comes with it, swivel board racks, Roswell tower speakers, ski mirror. As you come around, you can see got the white and yellow interior. It's got the Monsoon 375 engine in it, ski tow bar, swim platform, nice easy entry from the side there, L-shaped lounger in the back, co-captain's lounger on the port side, 3 ballast tanks, nice used towboat. Call MarineMax, Kyle Berkfield for more information.